Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the resolution in Project Zomboid. First, try the in-game settings. Open Options, Display, then set your display mode to full screen or borderless windowed. And choose the resolution that matches your monitor. If this works, just apply and restart a game. If the in-game menu is off-screen or unusable, or if changing resolution there doesn't stick, you can edit the configuration file manually. Close Project Zomboid, then navigate to your Zomboid Options folder. It's usually found in your Drive C. Users, your PC username, then the Zomboid directory. Open the file named options.ini with a text editor. At the top you'll see width and height values. Change these to your desired resolution, then save and relaunch the game. If your full screen still looks wrong or UI is misaligned, try adjusting DPI scaling for the game executable. Go to the game's install folder by clicking the gear icon on Project Zomboid in Steam. Select Properties, Installed Files, then Browse. Find and right-click Project Zomboid 64.exe. Open Properties, go to Compatibility, and disable high DPI scaling or set it to application. This helps the game display properly at high resolutions. Finally, if all else fails and the settings remain broken, delete your options.ini while the game is closed. This resets all graphics settings back to default so you can reconfigure from scratch. And that's how you fix or change your resolution in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.